Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anshita Arora, a professional makeup artist. Today, I'm creating this glamorous night party makeup look that's perfect for any special occasion, whether you are heading to a cocktail night, a sangeet, or even want a bold bridal vibe. I bet this look will make you shine through the evening. So let's get started. For the palette, I'll be using this Jaclyn Hill palette, my all-time favorite one. We are going to start by taking a fluffy brush like this. So from this palette, I'll be using this shade right here, which is called MFEO. You can use any light brown shade which you have in your palette. I have taken a little bit shade on my brush and now blending it on the transition area with a very light hand. Now I am taking a medium brush like this, and from the same palette I'll be using a mix of these two shades right here, which is called Buns and Mocha, the two medium brown shades. You can use the medium brown shades which you have in your palette, blending a mix of these two shades on the crease area, define the crease and to create a depth, applying the same shade and doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Now I am taking a small brush like this, and from the same palette I'll be using a mix of these two shades. Both are darkest brown and the name of the shades are Chip and Central Park. Blending a mix of these two shades on the outer corner. Now taking a flat fluffy brush like this. Again from the same palette, I'll be using this shade which is called N-Light. Applying this shade on the inner half of the lid. Applying the same shimmer on the lower lash line as well. Apply a little bit on the inner duct as well. Blending this with a medium brown and the light brown. So guys, I am done with applying the eyeliner off camera. So to apply the eyeliner, I have used this kind of brush, and the gel liner I have used is this from Recode, and the name is We Stole the Show. Now the interesting part comes here. So firstly, take any glitter glue you have. I'm using a two-way gel from Makeup Studio, and the glitter I'll be using here is from Celios in the shade Pearl. Take a little bit of glue on the back of your hand like this, taking a clean eyeliner brush and applying the glue in it. Applying the glue just above the eyeliner like so. Now quickly apply the glitter on top of the glue we applied. Repeating the same step again. Apply the glue on the eyeliner brush and applying it just above the eyeliner. Take any fluffy brush like this and just dust off the excess glitter from here and from here also. After cleaning your eyeliner brush, take a little bit of eyeliner on the back of your hand and start doing the touch up here to make the eyeliner look clean and bold. Let me show you the final look. And that's the final look. I hope you loved this night party glam as much as I enjoyed creating it. It's versatile, bold for brides and party nights. Don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your recreations. Also, follow me on Instagram as well, @Makeup by Anshita and @Glam with Anshita. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.